plans for the Royals on day 3 of their visit to BC. Will and Kate were supposed to fly into Bella Bella at noon today by float plane, but instead they're going to have to arrive by boat. Plans have been scrapped for an aerial tour of the Great Bear Rainforest. After that, the plan was for the couple to be welcomed by the Heiltsuk community in a traditional ceremony. Finally, a dedication of the Great Bear Rainforest to the Queen's Commonwealth Canopy Initiative before flying back to Victoria. They will finish the day with a reception hosted by the province at Government House. And you may have seen them over the weekend. Thousands flooded downtown Vancouver for their chance to see the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge at Jack Pool Plaza yesterday. They were down on the downtown east side to support a cause close to their hearts, visiting She Wear, support center for pregnant